Hello everybody, I am Ben from Team Panic, and I am back again with Henchman Sam. Welcome back.
Thank you, Ben. Welcome to the Henchman's Lair.
This place is also really cool, but this is definitely not a competitor-facing area. I'm here because Sam's got a bit of a challenge for me today. Hello everybody, I am Ben from Team Panic. We are both very kind of detail-oriented, CAD-oriented builders. A lot of the stuff that you've seen me build out there has been done to death in CAD before I even touch a 3D printed part or, you know, some electronics and turn the camera on and start filming. You had an idea to kind of break us out of that though, right?
Yeah, I don't think I could get away from 3D printing for a robot, but I think we can still 3D print and get away from CAD.
Okay.
With these guys. So we got a few 3D pens. I got one here for you as well. And I think we can squirt out some robots.
Okay, I've never used one of these before. This is going to be interesting. I've seen shorts of people making Eiffel Towers and stuff, but a whole robot. These are going to explode, I'm sure.
Our hands might get a little hot, but I'm confident we can pull it off.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so I've got a bunch of components from throughout the building, so we're on the same playing ground for our drive motors, our weapon motors, electronics, that sort of stuff. We've got a few different wheels that we can choose from.
Okay,
but
cool.
Besides that, everything's got to come out of these pens.
Yikes. Okay, this is going to be an interesting build process. Let's make this a little more interesting. Let's say an hour build time tops.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Yeah, I think you're more confident about this than I am, but that is good. I like the confidence. Maybe it'll rub off on me a little bit. We'll see.
We shall see. Should we get going?
I think so. Let's start the timer.
All right.
Not that I'll put a timer graphic on the screen, but it started now.
All right. I'm hoping to do a sort of big wheel undercutter, similar to Wumbo. Just a nasty asymmetrical horizontal blade underneath some big wheels. The frame itself is pretty boxy, simple to make, so I think I can pull it off in the time limit. We'll see.
So I don't know what I want to do here. These 3D pen I've never used before. I have two different ideas, and those of you who have been around this channel for a while know both of them. I want to try maybe an Annie, Are You Okay? Or maybe a very, very obvious, just in weird 3D plastic pen. The good thing for me is both of them are kind of like a two-wheel drive with weapon at the front, so I can kind of just make some stuff and I can change mid-build process if I need to swap between one and the other. So I don't know. We'll see what comes out of this. Yeah, your ABS, your PLA seems like it's working a bit better for you.
Than that one there?
Than the ABS. The ABS is difficult to work with. I mean, I should know that.
Isn't it famous for that?
Yeah.
think using these would make you a better 3D printer, like a conventional 3D printer?
Definitely not.
You might be able to assess things a little differently. Like, if you use this enough, you can determine, like, if you pull away a certain way, you get this type of stringing.
Oh yeah. I feel like doing this makes somebody like able to write a 3D printing slicer better.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the problem with a big robot though.
It takes forever.
Fill in so much. That's way off center, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it.
My spiders do like that.
Why did we decide on spinners and not lifters?
Because we are both gluttons for punishment. And because that's going to be way...
I don't even build spinners. I don't know what to do.
But also that's going to be like interesting too.
Yeah.
If they're both spinners.
'Cause
Because then they're going to explode. Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the same page.
Yeah. These things are not supposed to survive the next, like, well, their first ever and only fights. That looks pretty well.
Who knows? Maybe we might develop something going forward that's on every robot.
Uh-huh. Just looking at how tall your robot is, I am very seriously considering changing my idea slightly.
Is that metagaming? Are you metagaming me right now?
Alright. I have finally chosen between the two design ideas
Oh, good.
at this point. This works really well though, that's like...
Pretty practically solid.
I mean, it will be until the first hit happens, but you know.
But if we get to that point, then it's already a success.
Oh, hell yes. So if we manage to spin up without these things exploding, I'm going to be surprised and delighted, really. Just gonna like heat shrink your entire wiring loom. Not bother soldering it, just heat shrink it all.
I would never.
It's been done.
Using connectors is bad enough for me.
Oh, are you not a connectors person?
No,
I am so a connectors person.
they take up too much room and weight.
Yeah.
Room especially.
Hey, look, this is true. I'm not going to deny that or debate that. When I really, really need room and weight, I don't use them. But normally they are essential for a build.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to do it, not fine. You're actually going the asymmetric, my god, okay. You are indeed a madman. Is it gonna work? Probably not.
Of course it is.
These pens do put out like a surprising amount of heat.
They are like 200 degrees in our fingertips.
Yeah. Very true. I'm pretty happy with that actually. That's come out like pretty well. I might put some more plastic in it tomorrow maybe. We'll see how we go. Okay, so about half an hour in, definitely not day 2 right
Yeah,
now.
no. Yeah, we just changed outfits, made it a little brighter.
Yeah, of course, you know, video magic, it's fine. So how do you feel like you're doing at this point?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty confident. There's just a few issues that are on the back of my mind, shaft length, that sort of thing.
You're not worried about the basket armor you've got going on at the moment, or?
I think it's good for aerodynamics. It also
of
helps
course.
save weight, and I can keep an eye on my components.
Yeah, fair. I mean, look, with those massive wheels you've got going on, aerodynamics is going to be a problem. So.
Oh yeah, but
Speed demon over here.
I should be cutting through the air no problem with my ASIM blade, though. I'm pretty excited for this.
I honestly didn't think you were going to attempt that. That is going to be very interesting to see spin up. Terrifying, realistically. I'm going to need to do something pretty special with my blade, I reckon, to counter that thing, so...
I think we're going to have the same difficulty keeping it balanced. So.
Oh, for sure, yeah. It's just going to be a thing, yeah.
But yours is looking clean?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. I mean, I'm mostly just chassis. I've maybe put a little bit more plastic in than you have for chassis, but I've also kind of gone smaller, lower form factor. So, it's interesting design differences we've got going on when we're using basically the same stuff. So, Yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm pretty keen. But I think, you know, another half hour and we'll be good to fight.
Just a half hour.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely not any more time than that. No. Got to stick to the guidelines here. Stick to the rules.
Let's do it.
Right, let's do it.
All right.
So because you went asymmetric, I had to go ridiculous.
Oh my goodness. Is that good?
Uh-huh.
Does it go above the wheels?
Yeah, no, it goes between them. Just. Or at least it should. In theory.
That attaching the blade to your brushless is going to be the scariest hardest part.
Uh-huh.
Is that why you saved it for last?
Yup.
Beautiful song.
Oh no.
That's just your first layer, right?
I guess it's gonna have to be. 'Cause I was planning on leaving it about like this, but I think
that's fine with me.
I think it's gonna need more. Did I get this right? Oh, I think I'm gonna hit my wheels with the spikes. I might need to cut the spikes off.
Oh my goodness.
This is utterly ridiculous, and I love it.
Well, it came together pretty smoothly. I just did like a few flat panels and then connected them all together. I tried to make the blade as thick as possible. I'm a little concerned with the balance. I'm a little concerned with ground clearance. But I think it'll be pretty tough. It passes the shake test.
So here it is, maximum bite to go with the Halloween theming. So we ended up with a very, very obvious style design, mostly because partway through the build process, I snuck a peek at what Sam was doing, and I wanted weapon-to-weapon hits. So the undercutter was just going to be weapon on wheel, and I think given that the weapon is 3D printer pen and our wheels are like nice, hard plastic, that was just going to be a losing battle. The only time a weapon on wheel contact the wheel would win. So I figured, look, if we throw the bar up, then maybe we'll have some weapon on weapon impacts if we both survive long enough. I tried a balanced bar. I don't know how that's gone yet. It does not look balanced. I tried my best. I will see what happens when it spins up, which I am really keen for.
Maximum bite to your corner.
I don't know why I thought they'd be
Red
faster.
corner, are you ready? Blue corner, are you ready?
Ready?
Audience, are you ready?
Woo!
Hell yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, Rods, fight!
Oh no!
Oh no! That's fine, we're still moving. Alright, that's a pin for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's release.
No!
That's a pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. We've got about 2 minutes remaining. Maximum bite. I'm going to need to see some motion or an unstick. Motion or an unstick?
Unstick.
Unstick result. A minute 45 left in the fight.
Yeah!
Woo! 90 seconds remaining, but I'm kind of bored. Fear Facer, can you move? Oh, we got a tap out. That's the match.
Okay, so that was an interesting fight. Didn't quite end the way I expected it to.
I definitely expected that. A lot of barely moving and weapons flying off before any contact.
Yeah. Oh, look, I expected that. I wasn't quite expecting the Brett rush across the arena.
True.
Yeah, Brett's usually a little more passive than that in fights. So
I think this past weekend he didn't really slam any bots for the unstick, so he had some pent up aggression.
yeah. Well, hey, look, a perfect place to take that out, and we have ended up with some very interesting destroyed chassis here. We'll throw some photos of these up on screen because, wow, this plastic does not hold up to a, what, 30-pound robot?
60.
60. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no wonder we've got just stuff everywhere. Oh, this has been a lot of fun, despite the fact it took a little bit more than an hour.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. I think if we ever do this again, which I hope we do actually, because that would be so good, we just need to work on keeping those weapons on. I'm surprised though. You hit me a couple of times. Your weapon didn't explode. My robot didn't explode.
Yeah, we held up to each other really
yeah,
well.
that was better than I ever expected it to be.
Your weapon was really balanced. That was impressive.
Until it went flying away.
But yeah, I'd love to do this maybe in your neck of the woods next time.
Hey, yeah, we could definitely do that. I mean, we'll have less facilities where I am, but hey, we don't need many for a 3D printed pen build.
Exactly.
So
We could probably use the same components again.
you have to fly them over with you.
Fair.
Yeah, cool. All right, well, thank you so much. This has been a spectacular couple of days. I have really, really enjoyed everything we've done together. This has just been beautiful.
Well, I'm so glad you were able to make the journey. I know it was a long one. We really appreciate it. Thank you for everything you do in the sport as well.
Oh,
and
thanks.
It was so nice to meet you, and good fight.
Yeah, good fight.